Hi, my name is Tanner, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a double-barreled shotgun. So first, you're gonna need a Star Wars blaster rifle, a pair of binoculars, any color, and then a wrench, any color. So first, you're just gonna take the binoculars, and then the wrench, just put the wrench on the top hole so it looks like that. Grab the blaster rifle, just hook it on like that, and that's how you make a double-barreled shotgun. Bye, thank you for watching.